Hello friend, my name is Sukomi. My business partner and I, Toby, are going to explain the food business to you so you can have an in-depth understanding in a short 15 minutes so that you can make an informed decision on what to do. Now, this is our pitch. If all you ever need to start earning 91,000 naira daily was in a 36,000 naira food business, would you start today or tomorrow? Now, this makes a whole lot of sense to a lot of people, and that's why a lot of people say they want to get started immediately. Because guess what? This is a one-time investment, 36,000 naira. Potentially it's 91,000 naira every day. And you don't have to be a businessman to know for a fact that food business is good business. So let's go on and see other reasons why people start this business immediately. Number one, daily pay. You get paid daily in this business. There are no targets. There are no auto ships. You get the opportunity of having multiple accounts. There are free food products. There is free international trips. And then selling is not a must. At the end of the position, you're able to ask yourself, which one do you like the most out of these 7 reasons of starting the food business? But first, let's digress a bit. Why do we need these food products? Do we have any use for them? Are they important? Let's see how or why these food products are very important to us. Now, your body is being bombarded every day by what you call free radicals. Free radicals damage the cells, the vital cells of the human body, and which leads to diseases. So things like your heart problem, your cold problems, your emergencies in the hospital, all these are caused by free radicals. But the question is, where do these free radicals come from? Now, these are the sources of free radicals. Processed food, stress, somebody going to work every day, coming back late at night through the traffic, air pollution, water pollution, even the drugs you think you are using to save you are causing free radicals for the human body. Now, a lot of people are killed by what they did not eat and not what they ate. I don't know if you heard what I said. People are killed by what they did not eat and not what they ate. So what are people not eating that is causing their death? The World Health Organization says people need to eat 5 fruits and 5 vegetables every single day. 5 fruits, 5 vegetables every single day. The question is, how many fruits and vegetables did you have today? Yes, somebody may say you had orange or pineapple or banana. Yes, you had 1 out of 10. But the World Health Organization says you need 5 fruits, 5 vegetables every single day. Now, our food products contain these products. 12 whole fruit juice blend. Inside them, we have 12 whole vegetable juice blends inside our food products. We have 14 green fruits predominant blend inside them as well. Now, we use what you call nanotechnology to blend these things and put them in our food products. So even if you don't have your fruits and vegetables every day, once you take our food products, you have all of this in them as well. It also contains 12 Japanese mushrooms. Now, if you look at the fact check down there, mushrooms help to slow down aging, boost immunity, and also regenerate your nerves. The question is, when last did you have mushrooms? Now, our food products, like I said, has all of this in them and more. Now, these are some of samples of our food products. We call this the My Choco. It's an alkaline chocolate drink. This is very good for children. If you want your children to eat fruits and vegetables, give them this chocolate drink. Now, my children love this thing. It's tasty, it's delicious, and it goes well with them. One reason why this thing also makes a lot of sense is because of the brain development for children. You see, children in their young years and in their formative stage, and they need a lot of things to boost their formation, and this helps them with the brain development as well. We also have what we call the alkaline coffee in our food products. Now, I'm not a coffee person, but the person that introduced this coffee to me told me it does not contain caffeine. You can drink this at night and sleep. So I gave it a try. Came back home tired, had my shower and took a cup of this coffee, and I still slept. Woke up the next day sharp to do all things I wanted to do. One reason why this coffee also makes a lot of sense is what this word called alkaline. You see, your body is alkaline by design, acidic by nature. Normally your body should be balancing these two things, but because of the lifestyle we live, take too much soft drink, too much junk food, stress, this increases the acidity in the body. And then when the acidity in the body becomes too much, you break down. So a cup of alkaline coffee every day balances this alkalinity in your body. This is why this coffee makes a whole lot of sense. We also have the Restolife. This is especially good for women. Very nice. If women want to look younger than their age, we recommend this for them. This is better than cosmetics. We also have the cool edits for older ones. This helps with their kidney, their heart, sharp eyesight, stabilizes their blood pressure as well. We have the complete for expecting mothers and children as well. We also have the C24/7 that nourishes and energizes the immune system. All our products are 100% natural, no excipient added, all organic. So you're rest assured you're getting the best from us. Now we're in partnership with this company called Nature's Way, which produces all our food products. Nature's Way is 50 years old. They are debt free. They have over 700 product lines. They are NAFDAC approved. US FDA also endorses them. They are even traded on its New York Stock Exchange, which is a very massive accomplishment for this kind of company. So this is the kind of company we're also in partnership with. That makes a lot of sense. Now let's talk about the money. Nobody likes a beggar. So I'm going to invite my other business partner, Toby, to come and explain to us how we make money in this business. He's a sales 6-figure, going to 7 income earner, and he's going to tell us how we make money with this. So keep an open mind, take notes, and pay attention.
Hello everyone, my name is Toby Adewusi, and I'm here to talk to you about how you can make money from our food business. Like Mr. Sukomi said, nobody likes a beggar. Okay, now this is our page. If all you ever need to start earning 91,000 daily was in a 36,000 food business, would you start today or tomorrow? Remember, it's a one-time investment. Now, there are several ways you can make money in our food business. We have 7 different income sources, but I'm going to explain a few to you. First, let me explain the retail profit to you. By retailing our products, you make close to 100% in retail profit, because our company says if you buy 15 packs of our coffee, you get 5 free. And by the time you calculate the retail profit, it's even more than the amount you're using to buy the coffee, the 15 packs of coffee. Our products are very affordable. 1 pack of coffee is going for 1,330. You have free food products. There are no quota. The company is not telling you to come and buy products every month, every week, every day. No. You only buy products for 3 reasons. If you like it, if you want it, and if others ask for it. My children can't do without my choco, so if it gets finished in the house, I just have to get it. So if others ask for it, that's the only reason why you need to go and buy. Now, a lot of us are doing active income right now. If we don't go to work, we don't get paid. But I'm telling you this today. If you're doing a business and you don't get paid while you're sleeping, you're not yet in business. And that's why I love our food business. We get paid while we're sleeping, and that's what we call residual income. Residual income is something you did well once and you keep getting paid over and over and over again. Now, let me explain how it works. How do you make residual income from our food business? Our company says once you get started, that is you're starting a franchise business for yourself. All we need you to do is this. Don't keep this business to yourself. Tell your friends that there's a business that they can get started with 36,000 naira, a one-time investment, and they can be making 91,000 naira every blessed day. Now you're going to have 2 business systems, one on your right and the other on your left. So let's assume that you get started in this business and you inform 2 friends, Ada and Obi. Ada and Obi get started with you. As they're getting started, the company pays you a thank you bonus of 1,900. It's called the referral bonus. But another thing happens to you. The moment the system notices that Ada and Obi are placed under your business system, you get paid what we call the matching bonus. And the matching bonus is 5,007. It doesn't stop there. Ada and Obi also does the same thing you did. They decide to build their own business system on the right and on the left. Anytime the system sees 5,000, someone on your right and on your left, you get paid 5,007, and this goes on to infinity. So anytime there is an activity on your right and your left, or anytime there's someone that starts the business on your right and your left, you get paid 5,007. It doesn't matter if you know them or not. As long as you have taken a slot before them, you get paid this amount of money. So just imagine you get started a business now and your business grows in the next 2 years, in the next 3 years, and imagine how many people you would have helped to make millions of naira from this business structure. I tell you, this is the time to make the next 2 years, the next 3 years, the next 5 years of your life the best years of your life. This is another scenario. It's also possible that you get started in the business and immediately, imagine I'm the one that brings you into the business. I have over 100 people that want to start the business with me, but I only have 2 business systems, one on my right and one on my left. In this scenario, I have you on my right and Sarah on my left. If I have close to 100 people that want to start the business, all I need to do is put Ada on your right and Obi on your left. What happens to you? The company pays you 5,700. It's amazing. You did not know them. I know them, but because you took a slot before them, you get paid. And this goes on to infinity. This is the first time I'm seeing a business system whereby you get paid on your upline's referral. Remember, it's instant pay. There's no time frame. There's no maintenance. There's no auto ship. You get free food products. Timing is everything in this business. The earlier you get started with us, the better for you. We're taking our business to Uganda. We're taking it to South Africa. We're taking it to different African countries. And this is the time for you to make something good for yourself. Now, what do we need from you? In your first 30 days of starting the business, there are 3 simple things we need you to do. Now, what you're listening to now is called the talking machine. We need you to send this link to your friends. We need you to invite your friends to meet us or invite us to meet them. We are ready to work the business with you if you're ready to work with us. Now remember, I want to show you what your business can be in the next 12 months if you start with us today. This is the income potential. Remember, you're meant to start your business with how many people? 2 people. And the 2 people do the same thing you've done by bringing their own 2 people. In 12 months of doing this, you will be making nothing less than 10 million naira plus. I call this a lazy man's approach because you can do more than this. But this is what you can do by starting your business with 36,000 naira and helping Ada and Obi to do the same thing. Ada and Obi goes out and brings in their friends into the business. Your business empire explodes. And in 12 months, you're making 10 million naira plus. This is some good money. Now the question is, can we do this together? It gets better. It gets bigger. Our company says you can also do 3 slots. That means you can be yourself in 3 places. It means that you get paid in 3 different places. It's still the same effort. But guess what? You're getting paid in 3 different places. And also the 5,007 goes up to your account number 1, account number 2, and account number 3. Now, this gives you the potential of making 273,000 naira every blessed day, 1.9 million every week, and 8 million every blessed month. This is the potential of you taking 3 spots. Remember, it's a one-time investment. 3 spots is going to cost you